What's going on, YouTube? Isaac's Trade here. Let's talk about how the markets didn't end today, and everybody was screaming about the market was going to crash and you should sell. Well, it looks like we postponed it just for a little bit. But if this is your first time tuning in, let's make sure you subscribe, smash that like button and the bell's rung so you don't miss out on my live streams or my next video update. Now, what we're going to talk about here is about what happened today, what to look for tomorrow, and then I'm going to give you my plays and what I'm watching. So today was a very dovish pal who left many options open and reduced the near-term risk. He said if we have to raise interest more over time, we will, but he didn't say he must raise in March, and that was very good. One would call it bullish. He also said he wouldn't tip his hand and when we will be lifting off balance sheet in 2022, but no timeline for hikes as of today. I think a lot of people missed that. He did confirm tapering. And what to watch for tomorrow is if CPI doesn't shock the market, then we should basically kind of see what happened today should be like the best scenario for tomorrow. As long as CPI doesn't come in high, then we should be good. The market is now prepared for higher rates and a balance sheet reduction this year, but the Fed is not in a position where its hand is forced to make any movements. No forced panic. The market really liked that a lot. That was very bullish in my opinion. Powell is successfully portraying the steps as a move away from ultra expansionary emergency policy instead of a restriction stance and at a cool off of a overheating economy. Remember how I said predictable and the pace? The Fed is not acting like they lost control of this vehicle, yet earnings and the rest of the data is turning out to be very impressive for this quarter. It's probably going to be the biggest one yet so far. The biggest news I came up with so far today, other than Fed Powell and all that, was Biogen. The U.S. limits coverage of some of their Alzheimer drug. And then there was another thing with Citibank, something about they're supposed to exit their Mexico retail banking. And that was pretty much it. Now for the plays I made today, I grabbed some contracts on Ford. The contracts I went for Ford were the... which ones were they again? Where'd it go? I grabbed the Ford 25 January 14th ones. These ones right here, they end in a few days. Yes, I usually don't play these ones, but I think Ford should have it should do pretty well because it's held up in this messed up market. The ones I grabbed with the 25 strike price, I actually have a few more of these ones that expire in April, but I grabbed these ones today basically in the middle of Fed Powell's speech. What did I pay for them? I paid like paid $10 a contract. Right now they're up 18. They're up $8 a contract. I also think GM should do pretty well, but GM really didn't deliver their delivery numbers wasn't really up to par. I'm betting on Ford, and I really like Ford. My next play actually was the SPY. I grabbed the SPY call today. Now, the SPY call that I grabbed was a weekly. I got the 470. Where you at? 470, not the 3-day one, right? No, I did get the ones expiring this week right here, the 14 ones. Where the hell are they? The 470s are the ones I got. These ones right here, and I paid $55 each for them, and they're doing pretty well right now with how the SPY is holding up. And the next one I got was, well, I didn't grab it actually. I'm holding on to Caterpillar's my little hedge for just in case the market does turn south. I think they have a lot of meat on the bone to give up. I got the January 14th, the 185. Where you at? Right up here. I got these puts right here. The 185. Where they at? 185. No, 215 puts on that one, and I paid $85. They're a little bit down right now because Cat kind of still was able to kind of clutch it for the past few days, except for actually today wasn't too good for Cat. And then the next on the list is X. I got some calls for X. I haven't really played X in a while, but I think X should do pretty well coming up here for their earnings. I grabbed February. Which one was it? February 22nd. No, February 04. The fourth one right here. I got the 25 and a half. 25 and a half, and I paid $85 per contract, and they're up right now. So we'll see how all this plays out right now. For my watch list for tomorrow is going to be Ford, Roblox, Bank of America, X, DWAC, and Funware. Oh, and don't forget PayPal is going to be on there too. Comment down below. Let me know what you're watching and what your expectations are tomorrow and what plays you made. I'm out.